The day that you realize that a relationship is turning you into a spy, a detective, to the point where you constantly have to check emails, phone calls, text messages, voicemails, the one thing you gotta do is to leave that relationship immediately. Because at this point, it's not even a relationship anymore. If trust issues is turning the relationship into a full-time job, and I don't care if you got that trust issue from past relationships or the person that you're with has given you enough reasons to not trust them in the relationship, the only thing you have to do is leave that relationship. Because no matter how you look at it, a relationship without trust is like a car with no engine. No matter what you do or what you think you should do to make the relationship work, it's not gonna go anywhere. Work on yourself, go to a therapist, give your trauma time to process. Best thing you need to do is to leave that relationship.